Property Owner Files, Season 4, Episode 6, The First 30 Days. Predict everything. Why the first month matters more than the lease. What tenants do in 30 days. Tells you everything. Is being a landlord really worth it? Season 4 is about prevention, the systems that stop problems early. Today's file is about the first 30 days. Because behavior starts fast, and patterns lock in early. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. The first 30 days predict everything. The biggest warning signs don't appear years later. They appear in the first month. How tenants communicate. How they handle small responsibilities. How they respond to structure. Those early behaviors don't usually disappear. They stabilize. Today's file is about why the first 30 days matter more than the lease length, and how noticing patterns early can prevent years of stress. Stay until the end, because one signal in this window predicts almost every future issue. And if this helps you think more clearly about property ownership, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. Why early behavior matters. The first 30 days are when tenants are most attentive. They're learning the property, learning expectations, learning how responsive you are. That makes this period revealing. Late paperwork, missed small commitments, boundary testing. None of these are disasters, but they're signals. What happens early rarely improves without intervention. It just becomes normal. Still watching? This is where landlords usually look away. Part 2. The signals most landlords miss. The signals aren't dramatic. They're subtle. Delayed responses, informal requests, confusion about process. These feel minor. But minor behaviors compound. If they're ignored early, they become expectations. The mistake isn't the behavior. It's the silence afterward. Still watching? This is how patterns lock in. Part 3. Why intervening early is easier. Early conversations feel normal. Late corrections feel confrontational. That's the difference. During the first month, clarification feels like guidance. Later, it feels like enforcement. This is why systems matter most at the beginning, not later. Part 4. What I watch closest. In the first 30 days, I watch communication style, response timing, respect for process, not to judge, but to calibrate. If something feels off, I clarify immediately. No emotion, no accusation, just structure. Part 5. The real lesson. The first month doesn't determine everything, but it predicts more than most landlords realize. Season 4 is about catching problems while they're still easy. In the next file, we break down the communication rules that prevent escalation. Problems don't usually appear suddenly. They repeat quietly. In the next file, we talk about communication rules that keep things calm. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.